Bet this is the best liver recipe you will ever try. Start by adding water to a skillet. Use hot water. Turn on the heat and add the liver. Cut the liver into strips, as shown. Place it in the hot water. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Let the liver cook for 10 minutes. Remove the liver from the water and transfer it to a bowl. Then chop the liver very finely. Remove all the liver. Transfer it to a cutting board and chop. Place the liver on the board and chop all of it. Chop it very finely into small pieces. To prepare this different liver recipe, if you like liver, this recipe is delicious. Try this different way to prepare liver at home. Finish chopping all the liver. Transfer it to a bowl. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and mix it with the liver. Coat the liver very well. Mix well and set aside. In a skillet, add 1 chopped onion, 1 grated carrot, and 1/2 green bell pepper. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Saute everything very well to make a flavorful base. Ensuite, turn off the heat and set aside. In a bowl, add 5 eggs. Add parsley and beat the eggs. Beat the eggs well. Add the sautéed mixture and add the floured liver. Mix everything very well. This liver recipe is delicious. Even people who do not like liver will enjoy it. Mix everything thoroughly so the seasoning coats all the liver. Done, move to the skillet. Add a little oil to the skillet. Add the entire mixture with the liver and sautéed vegetables. Spread it evenly in the skillet. This will be a delicious liver pie. This sautéed base adds great flavor. Cover, let it cook, then flip it. Keep the heat low. The pie is almost ready. Turn off the heat and flip it. Place it on a plate to cook the other side. Return it to the skillet. It is nicely browned and looks delicious. Add shredded mozzarella cheese on top to make it even more flavorful. Add egg yolks on top of the cheese so they cook as well. Cover again and cook over low heat until the eggs are set. The pie is ready. Transfer it to a plate. Place it on the plate. Cut a piece of this delicious pie. If you like liver, this is a very tasty option to prepare. It is delicious. Make it, you will love it.